Welcome to J Stern Designs. I'm not Jen. You guys are probably wondering who I am. My name is Jason. I'm the admin over on the Discord server. Jen said she wanted to do a tutorial on her Discord server. I asked Jen if I could do it for her, and she gave me permission to do it, which I'm very happy about. Thank you, Jen. Also, I'm here to answer a couple questions about Discord on why do I have to put a birthday in? How do I get on there? What's the benefits of having Discord? Today, we're going to talk about all that. So let's get right into this tutorial and let's get it started. Now, once you click on her Discord link, it is going to bring you to her Discord server, which is going to look like this. You are going to put in a display name. That display name could be any name that you want. I'm just going to use mine, and I'm going to click continue. You want to make sure that you're human. All right, so we have to finish setting this up. So I'm going to put in my email address here. All right, it's going to ask you to verify your email address. The reason why we have it set up that way is because there is a lot of bots out there, and bots are basically, they claim to be human and they generate fake accounts on there to be able to access people's servers. So what we did was we want to verify that you are actually human. So all you're going to do is go to your account, verify it, and it's immediately going to say you're verified. So let me do that right now. All right, so now we're in here. We need to complete a couple things. So if you look on the bottom here, you must complete a few more steps before you can talk. So let's complete it. You're going to read all the rules here and hit submit. It'll immediately drop you to the welcome page. The reason why we have it drop to the welcome page is because we're able to see who has joined. So now that we have a look at what's inside the Discord here, now let's take a look at some other features. Over here, it will show you everybody that has joined. Jen is actually on right now. These are all the members. Over here, we have 8 members that are currently. Over on the left-hand side, you're going to see events. This is where Jen could post any event that she is having coming up, or she's teaching classes, anything like that, where you guys can actually go see her. So there's that. And then this is her YouTube. Any video that she posts, just for example, let's say you miss a video, you can actually jump on the Discord server, see all of her latest videos on here, and you are able to click right on it, take you right to the site. You can see that drops you right to her channel. Also too, you cannot comment anything on her YouTube channel at all. We have it restricted for multiple reasons. We don't want to clutter it all up. Here is the rules page again. This is just explaining what the rules are, how we want you to understand, no harassment, none of that stuff. I know you guys are not going to do it, but we had to create it. We also added her website. You guys could go there. You could purchase her patterns. You could purchase, sign up for classes. You guys could do basically, it's just an easier access for you guys. Now we have your support ticket. So with a support ticket, this is very key. With this, you're going to want to generate a support ticket. If you guys have any type of problems, such as somebody is sending you messages that is on the Discord, or you found a bug, or if you just want to get some general information, myself or Jen will be able to answer your question for you. So With that, what we're going to do is I'm going to create a fake ticket. The ticket right here. And you're going to notice over on the left-hand side, it says ticket number 0007. What that is to let the administrator know and Jen know, hey, that there is a support ticket. And what that is doing is, what that will do is, it will be able to have myself or Jen be able to communicate with you guys and find out any type of problem or general question that you have for us. And this is what it will look like. You're going to have to double click on it. And I'm just going to say, hello, Jen. Can you help me with a question? And I will notice when, if Jen could get back to me, I will notice when she replies back to me. Here's your general talk, okay? This is under the sew-in channel. The sew-in channel is basically general talk, sewing questions, pants fit and help. This is where we want everybody inside the Discord to help each other out. Also, with the general questions, you're able to ask anything you want. You notice here, it is completely unlocked. I'm able to write whatever I want in there as a question. Same thing with sewing. Well, Jen came up with a channel that she wanted to see what you guys had as finished products, that stuff that you guys were actually finishing up on, what she wants to see. And in here, we have one already. And I'm glad that she did this because it actually helps her see what she has brought to you guys. Also on here, you're going to see the affiliate links. On here, you guys could purchase anything that Jen talked about if you guys are interested in it. This here is actually to make things a lot easier instead of going through multiple videos trying to find that one thing that you guys are looking for. And that's key. She also has another one here. This one here gives you 15% off your order, which is amazing. Now that I got done showing you all the affiliate links, there's only one more category left, and that's upcoming shows. I'm sorry, upcoming events. All right, with the upcoming events, you will notice that there is upcoming shows. This is where Jen could post in another area saying, hey, I have a show coming up. This is where it's going to be located at. Give you a website. You guys will be able to get right on there, sign up for any of her classes that she is doing, even do a meet and greet, just to show up to the show and say, hi, I follow you. It's also a good way to promote where she's going. So this way you guys are aware if it's in your area, you guys can stop by, say hi, all that good stuff. There's another channel down here. It's called Online Classes with Me. In here, you guys will be able to ask any type of question that you guys want. If you guys want to know what pricing is, information about the class, any other classes that she offers online, how to be able to get into the class. There is so much possibility with this. And the other one is in-person class. With the in-person class, this is something new that Jen is trying out. I will have to say, with her in-person class that she is doing in a couple weeks, she is more than excited about it. She is thrilled. She did not expect to get as many people to join as she did. I also heard a couple other comments too saying, are you going to do another show? I believe she is, and I hope she is, because I would like to see this keep on getting bigger and bigger for her. Also too, I want to clarify something that I made in the beginning of this video. You are able to comment on her YouTube page. Unfortunately, you are unable to comment on her Discord page. And what I mean by that, if you go back up to her YouTube videos, you can see it's restricted. I just want to clarify it. I want to make sure that everybody understands that you can comment on her YouTube channel, but you cannot comment on her YouTube video section in her Discord. I just want to clarify that. Also too, I want to show you guys how to send a message to somebody. That is very key. If you want to send a message to myself, I would love to hear what you guys have to say, any suggestions, anything like that. I will tell you guys, I'm not on it all the time, but just give me some time. I will get back to you guys. So to send somebody a message, what you're going to do is you're going to click on their name, and inside here, you're going to see message. You could type, I'll just do hello, new here. Um, can you help me out? Okay. You're immediately going to be dropped into the message section. And then in here, you can add me as a friend if you guys would like. If you have more questions, you guys will be able to type more. When I reply back to you, all your messages will be in this section. Right, so I sent myself a message back so I could show you guys what it will look like. If you look over here to the left, you will notice that it says 1. This is where all your messages will be. So I'm going to show you guys right now. I click on it. Obviously, here's my message that I sent to myself. And I have the option to reply back or as a friend or report as spam. Remember, if you report it as spam, there's a good chance that they can get blocked. Also, you have the option to block the person too, which is key. So if you feel like you're being harassed by somebody, you have the option to block them, and they will not be able to see when you're online, and they will not be able to contact you at all. So I just want to put those key things into place. Also, too, I want to go over a couple things with everybody. But one of the questions that I seen was, why do I need to add a birthday? Well, according to Discord, you must be over the age of 14 years old to join Discord. Reason being is that there's a lot of cussing, a lot of vulgar language, different types of means that are being used that might offend certain people. That is the key reason why they want to ask you for your birthday. So with this tutorial, I want to make this perfectly clear. This tutorial is not to make you join our Discord server at all. I do not want that. I want you guys to join because you guys want to join. If you guys decide to join, great. I would love to see you guys there. Send me a message. Say, hi, I joined because of your tutorial. What are the benefits of this Discord? Well, everything is going to be categorized. So we're working on making this a lot better, a lot easier for everybody to just click on a channel and, find information, have everybody talk amongst each other, have everybody interact with each other. This Discord is for you guys. Yes, it is Jen's, but because of you guys alone making her where she is at right now, this is all dedicated to everybody that has helped her grow over the years. Also, too, I want to personally thank everybody that has joined the Discord server. We have over 100 members. Now it's time for me to sit down with Jen and start figuring out, hey, we need monetizers. Monetizers are good. They can help when me and Jen are not on. They'll be able to answer certain questions, be able to do a bunch of other things that once we get over 200 people inside this Discord, you're going to have somebody like that. And I just want to thank everybody for joining her Discord. No lie, she thought she was only going to get 20 people. I know Jen personally, and I have to say, you guys shocked me, myself, because I'm the one who built it. And two, you also shocked her as how quick as many as people have joined. For a week now, we have over 100 and something people already in there, which is amazing. And I cannot thank each and every one of you joining. This tutorial is to help people understand how to get in there, how to navigate, how to send a message, how to add people as friends. This tutorial is not to make you guys feel like you have to join. And that is key. There's one thing I really highly stress. If you guys feel comfortable over on Facebook, stay on Facebook. If you decide to come over, I would love to see you guys there. Please let me know how I did. Smash that like button for me. I would like to know, is there anything else that you guys want to see about this tutorial? Or, hey, I just want to add another category. Send me a message. Drop a comment below. Let me and Jen know, hey, this is what I'm looking for. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Have a good day.